Today, in the media conference with Lal Goyal, which is brought to you by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malladu TV, News Gaon Se, Samvad Sarokar News, Organ Donation India Foundation and Gyan. Our endeavor is to bring to you every day a current topic or either related to COVID-19 or any other current topic. But as we are doing for last almost 2 months now, every Sunday we have kept it for edutainment, that is education and entertainment. And today is a Sunday. Today again we are bringing you the musical program, and that is Swar Sangeet. But before I will go for that, I would like to inform you that today the world is celebrating International Day of Radiology. The International Day of Radiology, IDOR, is an annual event promoting the role of medical imaging in modern healthcare. It is celebrated on November 8th each year and coincides with the anniversary of the discovery of X-rays. It was first introduced in 2012 as a joint initiative of the European Society of Radiology, ESR, the Radiological Society of North America, RSNA, and the American College of Radiology, ACR. The International Day of Radiology is acknowledged and celebrated by nearly 200 national, subspecialty and related societies around the world. On November 8th, 1895, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered X-rays by chance while investigating cathode rays, effectively laying the foundation for the medical discipline of radiology. This discovery would grow to include various methods of imaging and establish itself as a crucial element of the modern medicine. We extend our greetings to all the radiologists across the globe on this occasion. And now, today's program, that is Swar Sangeet. And my special guest today is Miss Abhipsha Mohapatra. She is a renowned child singer. Miss Mohapatra is a 14 years old. She is from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, but now lives in Bengaluru. She is in class 9th and she is proud to be a student of BGS National Public School, Bengaluru. She always loved to listen to music and sing along since she was 6 years old. She loves classical music and also melodies of Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Suresh Wadekar, and Yeshudas ji. She also loved to listen to songs which are sung by Shreya Ghoshal and Arjit Singh. She is in 3rd year in Hindustani classical music. She has won many prizes in her school programs. She participated in Sare Gama Pa 2018-19. She also performed on stage for many programs such as in Indian Institute of Bangalore, IIMB, and Odia Culture Associations, etc., etc. So now we will start the program for which you all are waiting, Swar Sangeet, and as the custom is, we will start with the God's name, that is Shri Ramchandra Tulsidas ji Bhajan. Miss Mohapatra, please.
Yes, sir. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Navakanja रामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमना हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम भजुदीनबन्धो दिनेश दानवदैत्यवंशनिकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्दकन्द कौशल्या चन्द दशरथनन्दनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमना हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम तिरुमुकुटकुण्डल तिलकचारु उदार विभूषणम् अजानुभुज शरचापधर सङ्ग्रामजितकरदूषणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमना हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेषमुनिमनरञ्जनम् मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिफलदलगञ्जनम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमना हरण भवभयदारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्जारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम जय श्री राम
Jai Shri Ram. Very nice, Ms. Mahapatra. And we are receiving the messages. Nilgiri, congrats and all the best, Avipasha. Sabita Pradhan, all the best, Avipasha. Divipal Sharma, very nice opening of the program. Sabita, again, thank you, Avipasha, for emphasizing OCA in this platform. Tapas Fankar, good going, Avipasha. Sushanta Mishra, super singing, Avipasha. S. Panda, great going, Avipasha. Proud of you, Avipasha. Your voice is so amazing. Adrisha, sorry, your voice is so amazing, Avipasha. Srivali, all the best, dear. Divpal Sharma, Avipasha is having a very nice voice. Ipshita Panigrahi, great going, Avipasha. Deepak Goel, nice starting with a nice bhajan. Lakshmi Anant, all the best, Avipasha. Okay, so we have started receiving the messages, and as you know, she is a child singer. More and more messages will encourage her, give her more confidence, and she is going to give a very, very entertainment program today. Now, the next song which she is going to sing is "Tumhe Dekhti Hoon." It's from film "Tumhare Liye," which was released in 1978, and singer is Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji. Lyrics Naksh Lal Puri, music Jaidev. Cast, the movie having the stars were Sanjeev Kumar, Vidya Sinha and Ashok Kumar. Tumhe Dekhti Hoon.
तुम्हें देखती हूँ तो लगता है ऐसे कि जैसे युगों से तुम्हें जानते हूँ। तुम्हें देखती हूँ तो लगता है ऐसे कि जैसे युगों से तुम्हें जानते हूँ। अगर तुम हो सागर, अगर तुम हो सागर, मैं प्यासी नदी हूँ। अगर तुम हो सावन, मैं जलती कली हूँ। पिया तुम हो सागर, मुझे मेरी नींदें, मुझे मेरी नींदें, मेरा चैन दे दो। मुझे मेरे सपनों की एक रैन दे दो ना। यही बात पहले, यही बात पहले भी तुमसे कही थी। वही बात फिर आज दोहरा रही हूँ। पिया तुम हो सागर, तुम्हें छू के पल में बने धूल चंदन। तुम्हें छू के पल में बने धूल चंदन। तुम्हारी महक से महकने लगे तन, महकने लगे तन। मेरे पास आओ, मेरे पास आओ, गले से लगाओ। पिया और तुमसे मैं क्या चाहती हूँ। तुम्हें देखती हूँ तो लगता है ऐसे कि जैसे युगों से तुम्हें जानते हूँ। अगर तुम हो सागर, हो मुरलिया समझ कर, मुरलिया समझ कर मुझे तुम उठा लो। बस एक बार होठों से अपने लगा लो ना। एक बार होठों से अपने लगा लो ना। कोई सुर तो जागे, कोई सुर तो जागे मेरी धड़कनों में कि मैं अपने सरगम से रूठी हुई हूँ। तुम्हें देखती हूँ तो लगता है ऐसे कि जैसे युगों से तुम्हें जानती सा गए, मैं प्यासी नदी हूँ अगर तुम हो सावन, मैं जलती कली हूँ पिया तुम हो सागर। Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. And we are receiving the messages continuously. Nilgiri, Vaha, Abhipapsha, Sabita Pradhan, very nice. Abhi Pasha, Aryaman, Khatua, mesmerizing. Mamta D'Souza, all the best. Good start. Pandit Resort, lovely voice. Subrat Sau, wow, Abhipapsha. Usanta Mishra, she has sent emojis of 2 hearts. Please send the words because I don't know whether you are sending the emojis for her, for me, or for anyone else. So, Mona Swinin, Yamusani, wow, Anupurna Panda, such a gifted voice. Sindhu Sri Krishnan, he or she has sent lots of emojis, heart and love, etc. Great. Mamta D'Souza sang so well, beautiful. Suhabra says, very nice as always. Congratulations. Vipsha, KVK, Kandmal, God bless beta. Nilgiri, proud of you, dear. Very nice. So now we will move to the next song, and the next song which she is going to sing is Aiye Meherban, film Havda Bridge, which was released in 1958, and singer is evergreen Asha Bhosle ji, lyrics Kumar Jalalabadi, music O.P. Nayyar Sahab, casting was Ashok Kumar, Madhubala, K.N. Singh, Madan Puri, and Om Prakash ji, etc. Aiye Meherban.
बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान। बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान। कैसे हो तुम नौजवान, इतने हंसी मेहमान, कैसे हो तुम नौजवान, इतने हंसी मेहमान, कैसे करूं मैं बयां, दिल की नहीं है जुबान, कैसे करूं मैं बयां, दिल की नहीं है जुबान, आइए मेहरबान। बैठिए जाने जा, शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान, आइए मेहरबान। जिधर बिजली गिरा दी उधर देखा मचके जिधर बिजली गिरा दी उधर किसका जलाशया बिजली को ये क्या खबर किसका जलाशया बिजली को ये क्या खबर आइए मेहरबान बैठिए जाने जा शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान आइए मेहरबान बैठिए जाने जा शौक से लीजिए जी इश्क के इम्तिहान आइए मेहरबान थैंक यू
Very nice. And lots of messages are coming. KVK Khanmal, great field throw and performance. Science with Rajshri Nair, beautiful. God bless you, dear. Swam Dipur, very nice. Keep it up. Mamta D'Souza, she justifies to the song. Saujanya Bela Pukonda, very nice. Keep it up. Jijnasa Das, such a lovely voice. Swam Dipur, great dear. Giraj Kishore Gupta ji, superb. Namita Nanda, keep it up. May God bless you. Jairam Nair, great and all the best. VK Sharma, Abhipsha, beta, proud of you. Swapna Sukumar, awesome, dear. Gaming Flaming, very nice. Gaming Flaming again, God bless you. Divpal Sharma, got good selection of song and singing very nicely. Manoj Patra, feel proud of you, Abhipsha. S. Mishra, superb, Abhipsha. Manoj Patra, great singing. VK Sharma, beta green, betaing. बेहतरीन गायकी बेटा सॉरी बेहतरीन गायकी बेटा सुशांता मिश्रा लिटिल सिंगिंग सुपरस्टार अनसुईया मिश्रा सुपर सिंगिंग बेटा गॉड ब्लेस यू वीके शर्मा एग्री शी इज ए सुपर अदृश्या मोहपात्रा फीलिंग प्राउड ऑफ यू अभिप्शा so many messages coming it shows how people are liking your song so now the next song is Jhooti Mooti Mitwa the film Rudali, which was released in 1993, and singer is Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji, lyrics Guljar, music Bhupen Hajarika, and the casting was Dimple Kapadia, Raj Babbar, Rakhi, Amjad Khan ji, etc. Jhooti Mooti Mitwa.
झूठी मोटी मितवा बन बोले भादो बोले कभी सावन बोले झूठी मोटी मितवा बन बोले भादो बोले कभी सावन बोले बादलों पे चलने को चाहो पिया बादलों पे चलने को चाहो पिया आओ मेरा झूलना झुलाओ पिया बन बन पपिया पिहूँ बोले चंचल मोह से छल न करे, बावरी बोले कभी पगली कहे, बावरी बोले कभी पगली कहे। कारी तोरी अखियाँ याद करो, आरसी में बार बार काजर भरो, मन मितवा काहे पीहू बोले, झूठी मूठी मितवा बन बोले। भादो बोले कभी सावन बोले, झूठी मूठी मितवा बन बोले। भादो बोले कभी सावन बोले। Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. And messages are coming. Priyanka Raj, it is so good. Manoj Patra, wow. Supriya Mishra, beautiful Abhisha. Your voice is so sweet. Vikesh Sharma clapped. Mamta D'Souza, very well. Mukta Vashne, kya baat hai. Sivali Nadigar, that was awesome. Namita Nanda, it was beautiful. Hriday Ganotra, very well. Keep it up. Keep growing. Soumya says, may God bless you, dear. Rumpa Kumari. And, very proud of you. Swamdan Jaipur, very sweet voice. Abhisha, keep it up. Giriraj Kishore Gupta ji, he has not mentioned any message. Some Rudhi Rani Nanda, your melodious voice mesmerized our ears. Mona Mallikarjun, very nice. Abhipapsa. Manoj Patra, keep it up. Definitely you will be a singing superstar. Little two different type of songs. Manoj Patra, you are a versatile singer. Pandit Rizal, such good singing at such young age. All the best. Karishma Mishra, now, nice, wow, nice. Nilgiri, stay blessed, dear. Sushanta Mishra, tough song, nicely sung. Very good. So
Thank you
many
all.
good songs are coming. Views are coming for your songs. Now the next song she has selected from a album, that is Coke Studio, correct? This album,
Yes, sir.
the song is Benam Si Khwaishein. Yes.
बेनाम सी ख्वाहिशें आवाज ना मिले, बंदिशें क्यों ख्वाब पे परवाज ना मिले, जाने है परमान दिल ना तू ना मेरे लिए, बेबसी पुकार रही है आ साजन मेरे, बेनाम सी ख्वाहिशें आवाज ना मिले। चांद तेरी रोशनी आफताब सी मेरे खाए हो बहार, मौसम बदलते रहे, दिल के नगर जो बसी सर्द हवाएं क्यों ना जाए, आजा आ भी जा, मौसम कटे ना मेरे हाथ की नाम से ख्वाहिशें आवाज़ ना मिले, बंदिशें यूं ख्वाब पे परवाज़ ना मिले, जाने है परमाने दिल ना टूना मेरे लिए, बेबसी पुकार रही है आ साजन मेरे, नाम सी ख्वाहिशें आवाज़ ना मिले। Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. Now messages are pouring in. Mukta Vashne, lovely singing. Sindhu Shri Krishnan, wow. Abhipsha, Anusaya Mishra, very well. Abhipsha, Ashutosh Mishra, mesmerizing dear. Kori Spleen, great singing. God bless you. Lakshmi Manjunath, proud of you, Abhishar. God bless you always, dear. S. Panda, tough choices, but sung pretty well. Sindhu Shri Krishnan, so proud to be your best friend. Candy S, proud of you, Abhisha. Shripati Nanda, nice and very, very sweet voice. Keep it up. May God bless you. Candy S, amazing voice. Sabita Pradhan, beautiful. So many messages are coming. It's very difficult to, it's really, may God bless you, dear Sapya. Beautiful, Jhuti Muthi Mitwa, Mahati Devla, fantastic. God bless you, my dear. As Shapnan Nair, excellent performance. May God bless you, dear. Tanuja Dinesh, nice voice. Mamta D'Souza, varieties are there in your song and you justify them. Keep it up. Samudya Depur, what a melodious voice. Abhipsha, really God gifted. Candy S, amazing. Too good. The best singer I know. ID Lobo, wonderful, nice singing. Vrindava, kya baat hai, Abhipsha, dear. Soothing, absolutely. Candy S, wonderful. My favorite song of yours. Then so many emojis. Then Shri Kala Ji Kumar, amazing performance. God bless you, dear Abhipsha. Giriraj Kishore Gupta ji, बेचा हमारे देश के आन मान शान है. Keep it up. God bless you. Samudra Depur, can you sing a Kannada song for us? GCB, very nice, dear. Vindavag, Namaskar, Goelji, Dipalji, and all there. GCB, very melodious, dear. Deba Mishra, beautiful voice. Abhipsha, Candy S, so melodious. Love you always. Gaurav Solanki, amazing voice. And Candy S, amazing. Hasta. So many messages are coming. Very nice. Now, next song is also from an album, Miraj Ghazal, and singer is Asha Bhosle ji, and the song is Salona Sa Sajan. It's an album, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
सलोना सा सजन है रातों को जगाए चुराए चैन रातों को जगाए पिया का ये चलन है और मैं हूँ सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ पिया के सामने घूंघट उठा दे पिया के सामने घूंघट उठा दे बड़ी चंचल पवन है और मैं हूँ सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ रचेगी जब मेरे हाथों में मेहंदी रचेगी जब मेरे हाथों में मेहंदी उसी दिन की लगन है और मैं हूँ सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ जिया में एक अगन है और मैं हूँ सलोना सा सजन है और मैं हूँ थैंक यू
Very nice, very nice. The next song is a very favorite of mine. That is Ye Ishq Hai, film Jab We Met, which was released in 2007. Singer Shreya Ghoshal, lyrics Irshad Kamil, music Pritam, and casting was Kareena Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor. I will just tell you that this movie won many, many awards, and especially two awards, which were the national awards for the best singer, female singer, Shreya Ghoshal, and National Film Award for best choreography, late Saroj Khan ji. Why I mentioned about this, because I was there in the Vigyan Bhavan in 2009 when these awards were giving. I received this award on behalf of late Saroj Khan ji, and I met Shreya Ghoshal at that time, and she sang one or two lines of this song. And this song, because the choreography was done in Kullu Manali, it was chilling at that time. And Saroj Khan ji mentioned to me that it was not easy to have so many artists at one time, and that too with such a winter time when the ice was there, snowfall was there, and then the choreography was done. So when we watch a movie or when we listen a song, we have to also appreciate the what people are doing, how much pain, how much their strength they have given, their sweat and blood to create a movie and to create a song. So now she is going to sing that song, Ye Ishq Hai, Ishq Hai, Ye Ishq Hai.
हाँ है कोई तो वजह जो जीने का मजा यूं आने लगा ये हवा में है क्या थोड़ा सा जो नशा यूं छाने लगा पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी राहों में आकर। पूछो मुझे क्या मिलेगा तेरी बाहों में आकर। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ ओ रामा। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ। तोड़ी मैंने सारे ही बंधन जमाने तेरे, तोड़ूंगी ना मैं वादा। आधा हिस्सा मेरे तो दिल की कहानी का तू पिया मैं बाकी आधा। देखो ना देखो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी यादों में खोकर। पूछो मुझे क्या मिलेगा तेरी बातों में जी कर। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ ओ रामा। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ। मेरे जैसे लाखों मिले होंगे तुझको पिया, मुझे तो मिला तू ही मेरे होठों की खिलती हुई सी हंसी, गिला भी पिया तू ही। देखो ना देखो मुझे क्या हुआ है तुझे सपनों में लाकर। पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी बातों में आकर। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ ओ रामा। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ। हाँ है कोई तो वजह जो जीने का मजा यूं आने लगा। ये हवाओं में है क्या थोड़ा सा जो नशा यूं छाने लगा। पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी राहों में आकर। पूछो मुझे क्या मिलेगा तेरी बाहों में आकर। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ ओ रामा। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ ओ रामा। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ। Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. And we are receiving messages. Suprita KR, good rendition. Sushanta Mishra, super. S. Ayappan Nair, we are proud of you, dear. Sangeeta Kabi, amazing, dear. Lovely voice. GCB, God bless you, dear. PD Prabhu, so nice. Nicely sung. Venkatesh PG, very well singing. JCB, amazing performance, dear. Akash SH, God bless you, dear. Arahi, PD Prabhu, Abhipsha, nice voice, lots of blessings. Candy S, melodious. Deepak Goel, nice singing. Asha Goel, Vrinda Bag, Wah, one of my favorites. Vrinda Bag, what a morning treat. Suprita KR, kya baat hai. Dipal Sharma, very nice song and good voice in this age. Keep it up. Candy S, Wah. Candy S, again the best. BT Prabhu, Wah. Sushanta Mishra, great singing. Deepak Goel, good selection of songs, well sung. Nivan Goyal, Vijay B, great singing. God bless you, dear. Abhipsha, Sanjukta Mishra, wow. Devanta Mishra, good performance. Keep it up. Sai Baba, so soothing. Sabita Pradhan, awesome. Banam C, Sai Baba, so soothing. Somlisha, Candy S, keep up. Asta, how many names you have? So many different names, messages are coming. You have so many pet names, or is it?
No, sir.
Okay. Kumda ji, proud of you, dear. Abhipsha, God bless you. Venkatesh PG, melodious singing. God bless you, dear. Pandit Resort, good singing. Keep it up. Deepak Mohapatra, awesome. Supitra KR, wow. Vrindavag, Deepti ji, mom of Abhipsha, is also a fabulous singer. You must also sing sometimes, Deepti ji. Okay, she is also a good singer.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Mother and daughter. Yes, definitely we can have a program again once. VK Sharma, lovely. Nuisance Beta, Candy, super. Vindavag, wow, amazing. Sri Kala Ji Kumar, very melodious. Sabita Pradhan. Vrinda Di, agree with you. Deepti Ji, also an amazing singer too. Kalpana Mandoli, what a mesmerizing voice. GCB, something written in Kannada or any other language I can't read. Chanaman and Elgini, very melodious voice, superb. Sai Baba, Bipsa, God bless you, dear. Somalisa, Vrindavag, heavy. Sabita, dear, you are also a fabulous singer, dear. Nice to see you here. So many messages are there. I don't know how many. सुबह प्रेस सुबह कैंडी एस हुआ था भाव में आकर हुआ था भाव में आकर वाह अनामिका स्वयं गॉड ब्लेस यू कैंडी एस हो रामा Divpal Sharma, good voice. Geetanjali Das, awesome, dear. Keep it up. God bless you, beta. Adrisha Mahapatra, wow, wow, great going. Anusuya Mishra and Vinda Wag, another favorite. Brilliantly done, dear. So many messages are coming for you. It's a very good
Thank
thing.
you all.
But you must improve day by day. Don't take your success in your head. It should be in your heart. So you can be one day you will see the success when you will be top artist in India and abroad.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Now, the next song which she is going to sing is Sanj Dhale. The film is Utsav 1984. It was released, and singer is Suresh Vatkar. Lyrics, correct? Suresh Vatkar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lyrics is Vasant Dev, music Lakshmikant Pyarelal, and casting is Shankar Nag, Rekha, Anuradha Patel, Amjad Khan, Shashi Kapoor, Shekhar Suman. Sanj Dhale.
सांझ ढले गगन तले सांझ ढले गगन तले हम कितने एकाकी छोड़ चले नैनों को किरणों के जुगनू का पट ओढ़े आएगी रात भी, जुगनू का पट ओढ़े आएगी रात भी, निशिगंधा के सुर में कह देगी बात सभी, निशिगंधा के सुर में कह देगी बात सभी। कपटा है मन जैसे डाली अब आके, छोड़े चले नैनों को किरणों के पाखे, सांझ ढले गगन तले, हम कितने एकाकी, सांझ ढले गगन तले, हम कितने एकाकी। Thank you.
Very, very nice. I think your voice without the orchestra is also very good. You don't require any orchestra with you. We are still receiving messages. We have received Priyanka A. Bhatt. Very nice program. Candy S. OK Rama. It is amazing. Lakshmi Balchandran. Beautiful expression. What a gifted artist. Devasis Mahapatra. Great. Literally keep it up. Geetanjali Das, amazing. S. Sarangi, wow. Abhipsha, superb singing with a beautiful voice. Aradhana Dubey, God bless you. Superb. VK Sharma, superb. Akash SH, very good singing. Dimple Rana, superb dear. God bless you. Pragyan Mahapatra, Aswam, keep it up. Awesome, awesome. Keep it up. Lakshmi Balchandran, she will rock it. Shruti Darshan, God bless you, dear. Abhipsha, Candy S, mesmerizing voice. Lakshmi Balchandran, kya baat, that Gagan Tale, superb. Shiva Kumar, beautiful voice. God bless you. Vrindavag, wow, simply awesome. Lakshmi Balchandran, awesome, awesome. Dear Abhipsha, Divpal Sharma, future of her is very bright. You have a potential, very nice voice. Candy is so proud to have you have such a talented friend. Very nice. Now, the next song which she is singing is that is Jaane Kya Baat Hai, film Sunny. It was released in 1984. Singer is Lata Mangeshkar ji. Lyrics Anand Bakshi ji. Music R.T. Burman. Casting Sunny Deol, Amrita Singh, Dharmendra, Sharmila Tagore, Wahida Rahman ji.
जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने
जाने क्या बात है आपकी सिंगिंग में। रिसीविंग लॉट्स ऑफ मैसेजेस। गीतांजलि दास, ओ नाइस। सबिता प्रधान, सांझ ढले, जस्ट ट्रीट टू द ईयर, सो ब्यूटीफुल। सुप्रीता के आर, ब्यूटीफुल रेंडिशन डियर। लक्ष्मी बालचंद्रन, वाह क्या बात है। मुक्ता वाशने, वाओ हार्ट टचिंग सॉन्ग एंड वेरी नाइस सिंगिंग। सुप्रीता के आर, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपोजिशन ऑफ लक्ष्मीकांत। प्यारेलाल जी, लक्ष्मी बालचंद्रन, ऑसम। राहुल मानता, अभिप्सा, जस्ट सुपर वॉइस, लव इट टू द हार्ट। वीके शर्मा, कमाल की गायकी, मजा आ रहा है। अनुसुईया मिश्रा, गुड वॉइस। थ्रिनवी वी, गॉड ब्लेस यू, ऑल द बेस्ट डियर। नितिन प्रसाद हेगड़े, हर वॉइस इज अमेजिंग। कैंडी एस, oh my god, I don't know what to say, sung it better than the original song. Dipal Sharma, beautiful song and she is singing very nicely. Nitin Prasad Hegde, good luck for you, future. Candy is amazing. Lakshmi Balchandran, kya baat hai. Gitanjali Dash, Candy S, you have a bright future. Shama Shri Tripathi, Abipsha, lovely voice, excellent singing, loads of blessings. Keep it up, beta. Just mesmerizing. Subhashri Mukherjee, nice singing. God bless you, beta. Feeling proud. Shweta Salian, superb. Vrinda Vag, that vibrato you bought in, wow. Geetanjali Dash, A. Apiva, awesome, amazing. Mamta Tripathi, you have a nice tone to your voice. Keep it up. May God bless you, dear. So many messages are coming continuously. We have to move further. The next song is from Rasm. Next song is Rasme Ulfat. Film is Dil Ki Rahein. Released in 1973. Singer Lata Mangeshkar. Lyrics Naksh Lail Puri. Music Madan Mohan. Cast Rakesh Pandey and Rihanna Sultana. One thing I would like to mention about this movie, the film prints of this film were allegedly destroyed. So this film was not available to watch at that time. I don't know whether it is available now or not, but it was not released properly. Yes, Rasme Ulfat.
रस्मे उल्फत को निभाए कैसे, रस्मे उल्फत को निभाए कैसे, हर तरफ आग है, दामन को बचाए
बहुत
Thank
बहुत
you.
खूब, बहुत खूब, बहुत ही अच्छा. And ulfat, if viewers are not aware, the meaning of ulfat means lovingness, love. In Hindi, pyar. So rasme ulfat. Yes. Now we are moving to the next song. This is my favorite song. तुझसे नाराज नहीं. Film Masoom, released in the year 1983. Singer Lata Mangeshkar ji, lyrics Guljar, music director R.D. Burman, and the star cast was Nasruddin Shah, Shabana Azmi ji, Jugal Hansraj, Urmila Matondkar. तुझसे नाराज नहीं.
तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, ओ हैरान हूँ मैं. तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, हो परेशान हूँ मैं. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं. जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं दर्द संभालने होंगे. ओ जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं दर्द संभालने होंगे. मुस्कुराए तो मुस्कुराने के कर्ज उतारने होंगे. मुस्कुराओ कभी तो लगता है जैसे होठों पे कर्ज रखा है. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं. आज अगर भर आई है बूंदे बरस जाएंगी. ओ आज अगर भर आई है बूंदे बरस जाएंगी. कल क्या पता इनके लिए आंखें तरस जाएंगी. जाने कब गुम हुआ कहाँ खोया एक आंसू छुपा के रखा था. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं. तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, हो परेशान हूँ मैं, परेशान हूँ मैं. Thank you.
Very nice. The next song is Chanda O Chanda. I am running now short of time, so I am taking the songs immediately, one after another. The song is Chanda O Chanda. Film Lakhon Mein Ek. Film was released in 1971. Singer Lata Mangeshkar ji, lyrics Anand Bakshi ji, music R.D. Burman, and star cast was Aruna Irani and Mahmood. Chanda O Chanda.
चंदा 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 किसने चुराई तेरी मेरी निंदिया जागे सारी रहना. बहलाऊं अपने आंसू मगर कैसे मैं दिखाऊं हंस के मैं तेरा मन बहलाऊं अपने आंसू मगर कैसे मैं दिखाऊं मैंने तो गुजारा जीवन सारा बेसहारा जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना चंदा 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 किसने चुराए तेरी मेरी निंदिया जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना तेरी और मेरी एक कहानी हम दोनों की कदर किसी ने न जानी तेरी और मेरी एक कहानी हम दोनों की कदर किसी ने न जानी साथी अंधेरा जैसे मेरा वैसे तेरा जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना चंदा 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 किसने चुराई तेरी मेरी निंदिया जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना थैंक यू
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब. The next song is Ye Sama. The film is Jab Jab Phool Khile. It was released in 1965 and singer is Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji. Lyrics Anand Bakshi ji, music Kalyan ji, Anand ji, and star cast was Shashi Kapoor, Nanda and Aga ji.
ये समा समा है ये प्यार का किसी के इंतजार का दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा
बहुत खूब, बहुत बढ़िया. Now we are reached to the last song today's program, and that is again my favorite, Ruk Ja Raat, Thehar Ja Re Chanda. It's film Dil Ek Mandir, which was released in 1963. Singer, our own Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar ji, lyrics Shailendra ji, music director Shankar Jaikishan, and the star cast of this movie was Rajendra Kumar, Meena Kumari ji, Rajkumar.
रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा इतना मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा इतना मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा पहले मिलन की यादें लेकर आई है ये रात सुहानी पहले मिलन की यादें लेकर आई है ये रात सुहानी दोहराते हैं फिर ये सितारे मेरी तुम्हारी प्रेम कहानी मेरी तुम्हारी प्रेम कहानी रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा इतना मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा कल का डरना काल की चिंता दो तन है मन एक हमारे कल का डरना काल की चिंता दो तन है मन एक हमारे जीवन सीमा के आगे भी आऊंगी मैं संग तुम्हारे आऊंगी मैं संग तुम्हारे रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा इतना मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों का मेला रुक जा रात ठहर जा रे चंदा इतना मिलन की बेला आज चांदनी की नगरी में अरमानों
Thank you very much, Ayubcha. बहुत बढ़िया. This was like a, what I can say, such a songs, such as soul-soothing songs which you have sung today. God bless you. You have very, very bright future. And today's program, which you have seen, is live telecast by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, News Gaon se, Samvad Saroka News, as well as was shown live on Facebook and YouTube. And our endeavor is every day to bring you some new topic, and even every week and about the music. But today, again in the evening, there is a program which is a Discourse Academy Delhi presents brainstorming discussion on civil service aspirants. And this program, I am not the host, rather I am the chief guest. Mr. Rakesh Kumar Jha, Civil Service Coach, Managing Director, Discourse Academy Delhi is the host. And I am myself, Lal Goyal, Chairman, Organ Donation, India Foundation, and Gyan is the chief guest in this program. It is going to be live telecast on Global TV at 4 p.m. You can log in on globaltv.in dash live, and it is today at 4 p.m. So thank you very much, Abhipsha Mahapatra, for giving such a beautiful songs. Thank you very much.
All thanks to you and Ravi, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all the viewers for watching our program. Thanks a lot.